In this lesson, I will show you how to create a polygon. To create the polygon, I have to use this tool from this sketch tab. First, I will go inside this sketch. I will take this polygon. Before I create the polygon, this is important to define how many sides you want to create. Right now, this is 6. If I want, I can create 3, 4, 5. I will create 6. I have to define my center. Then I will go away. I have to define the end point, and this is my polygon. It has 6 sides. You can create polygon with two different options: inscribed circle, circumscribed circle. This is inscribed and this is circumscribed. I will create another polygon, but by using this circumscribed to show you the main difference. I will make these two circles equal and put few geometric relation. Now here is the main difference. These two circle is same, but these two polygon is different. This is different because this is inscribed, means this will count circle diameter from edge to center. That means this will count from edge to edge. But for this will count from vertex to vertex. That is the main difference between inscribed and circumscribed. By using polygon, if I want, I can create 3 sides. All sides are same.